In the ever-evolving world of aeronautical maintenance, speed and accuracy are key. That's why we're excited to introduce a revolution in managing the maintenance of your Airbus helicopters. Our new MSM ALS data loader. Imagine being able to retrieve the maintenance servicing manual and all airworthiness limitations for your helicopters directly from T.I.P.I, Airbus Helicopters online publication service. And with just a few clicks, you can upload the latest MSM ALS in Blue Eye. No more tedious manual data entry. Just upload the document and, within seconds, the system not only creates all necessary maintenance requirements but also goes a step further. When Airbus publishes revisions, and you upload the latest version, Blue Eye is capable of detecting which existing job cards need to be revised or added. It then automatically updates or adds these requirements, ensuring your data is always current and comprehensive. With this capability, you can easily create a customized maintenance program, with all the necessary content, and revise it just as easily. Always stay up to date with the latest revisions and new tasks added by Airbus. It's thanks to innovations like this that MRX Systems holds the Airbus Helicopter Premium label. Now, let's move on to a live demonstration of this exciting new feature. On the T.I.P.I website, retrieve the maintenance servicing manual and all airworthiness limitations. You need to save the document in XLSX format. Click on Settings in the main ribbon. Then, click on MSM ALS Loader. A pop-up window appears. Click on Next. Select the appropriate aircraft type. Select the T.I.P.I document you saved. Let's start with the MSM. Click on Launch Conversion. The system retrieves all the lines of the file. The status column indicates if the job card already exists in the database, based on the task number. If it does not exist, it is classified as new and is added. If it exists, the system uses the Task Status NR column of the document. If it indicates the letter U, it means that the job card is unchanged, so only the revision number and revision date will change to let you know that this job card is part of the latest maintenance servicing manual revision. If the NR column indicates the letter R, this means that the job card has been revised. Consequently, the system creates a revision. Click on Next, click on Finish. The system creates one job card for each line of the file you uploaded. You can see and manage them in the Job Cards module. You can manage the applicability of the job card. For example, the searchlight. As not all AS350B3 are equipped with a searchlight, you need to indicate the exception of your fleet. Select the appropriate job card. Open the Applicability tab. Switch to Edit mode. Click on the Exceptions radio button. Click on the plus button and indicate which aircraft is not concerned. You can indicate the reason. The applicability field now shows which aircraft is concerned. We are now going to upload the ALS. We follow the same procedure as for the MSM, which involves selecting the document downloaded from the Airbus website to be able to upload it into the system and create the job cards. We can now create a maintenance program to ensure that all the requirements of your aircraft are met. Open the Maintenance Program module. Switch to Edit mode. Click on the plus button in the main ribbon. Select the aircraft type. Click on the plus button of the associated job cards panel. Select all the job cards we uploaded and add them by clicking on the orange arrow. Validate. You can easily create packages by opening the Scheduled Packages tab and clicking on the plus button. Here, we are going to create a 600 hours 24 months package. Click on the Modify Packages Content button. Filter by frequency and add the tasks to the package. Add the associated tracking information. Creating a package allows you to add all these tasks to a work order at once. You can save the changes to keep modifying the AMP later or get it approved before you push the revision and apply all the changes to your current version. All the inspections have been added to the Inspections module. You can now modify the last performed field to indicate when the task has been performed for the last time. Later, when a new revision comes out, you can download it on the T.I.P.I website, save it as XLSX, and upload it to Blue.i. As explained earlier, the system is going to revise the job cards and add new ones. We can filter to see the revised and new job cards. Let's upload the revision of the ALS. You can see that the job cards that are grayed out are the ones that have been superseded. You can see their revision. The content of the unchanged job cards did not change except the manufacturer revision number and date. You can now open the Maintenance Program module. Switch to Edit mode. Click on the plus button of the Associated Job Cards panel, select all the new job cards, and add them. Click on the blue pencil button to supersede all job cards with their latest revision. In the Preview tab, you can click on both and by requirement type to export the AMP with red marks to show what is going to be deleted, green marks to show what is going to be added, and blue marks to indicate what is going to be modified. This allows you to submit it for approval before pushing the revision. You can export the document in any format by clicking on Report in the main ribbon and clicking on Export to. You now save and push the revision. Once this revision is pushed, it also updates the information in the Inspections module to update your tracking and due list accordingly. The MSM ALS data loader, integrated with T.I.P.I and Blue.i, represents a significant leap in the field of aeronautical maintenance for Airbus helicopters. By automating the process of updating and maintaining your helicopter's maintenance servicing manuals and airworthiness limitations, we not only save you time but also ensure that you are always in step with the latest Airbus standards and requirements. This tool is a game changer in maintaining the highest levels of safety and efficiency in your operations. As MRX Systems continues to earn recognition through the Airbus Helicopter Premium label, we remain committed to pioneering solutions that shape a smarter, more connected future in helicopter maintenance. More information? The MRX Systems team will be delighted to give you a demonstration. You can contact us anytime via the following email address.